how to turn on or off story function on your Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off functions on your Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are there, click on your profile up there. Now all you need to do is click on settings and you're gonna find the second option, which is functions. Tap there. Here you have voice club and you have story, which is friends of friends and explore. You can choose to turn off or on these options wherever you want. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.